because of all the engines and it's loud.
Welcome to my channel. This is Kiara. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you all had an amazing day. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe right now and turn on the notifications bell so that you'll be notified every time I post. So enough of the talking, let's get right into the video. Okay everyone, we are less than 24 hours away from leaving the country and going back to Nigeria to see my in-laws. I am excited. I'm ready. I am just ready to go. But I went shopping because I realized Mother's Day is going to be on Sunday. So I wanted to make sure I look nice. And now I'm going to get me some food at what I think I want before I leave the country. Last American food I want, I'm about to show you what. Grits, eggs, bacon, extra crispy, some syrup. That's what your girl wants, and that's what I'm going to get. What I'm going to get, I'm going to make my own griddle combo, and I'm going with the world famous pancake combo, which you get a choice of 2 same flavor pancakes, 2 eggs, 2 bacon strips, or pork sausage links, and a hash brown. $9.99. So that's what we're going with. But I'm not going to do the hash brown. I'm going to do grits. But we'll be back with it. And of course, H2O and your soda. But I'm happy. Okay. We'll be back. Yes, it is day 1 of our trip. And we are actually at the airport. Kara's on the phone with her husband now. Got all my bags. We are ready to go. We had to get here early because my son dropped us off, so we're just excited. We're ready to go, and just stay tuned because I'm taking you guys along with me to Lagos. So, in a few more minutes, we will be going to check in. I'm so excited, y'all. What you say? You're ready to go.
Water's so high today, right now. So you can't talk to each other because of all the engines and it's loud.
made it to Nigeria. Yes. And look, you guys, Samson's here too. And we're about to go and get some groceries, of course. Eat. We're hungry. But yeah, we made it. Thank you, Jesus, for traveling grace. And yeah, we'll see you guys real soon. Couldn't film at the airport, but we can definitely film out here in the streets of Nigeria. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Yes, we're inside the mall right now. And I'm not yelling, but this is day 3. We touched down in Nigeria. They go. Oh yeah, I'll be back. Yes, so our luggages did not come in, you guys. So we have to get some clothes or some groceries. So we're doing a little shopping. And yeah, take you guys along with this. Yeah, this is the shop, right, you guys? I'm talking about. I love this little store. My groceries and stuff. So. Yes, let me go catch up with everyone. Like I said, this is day 3 of the vlog, and we've made it to Nigeria, and I'm right now in the mall. Vlogging with my vlogs. We got Philip in the house. I said, hey, my vlogs. Philip, cousin Philip, beautiful baby girl. Shout out to his wife. Samson on the phone, but also that's my brother-in-law. Wait, no, it's son-in-law. It's my family, his wife. So yeah, Kiara up in there shopping. We're enjoying ourselves, having a nice time. Yeah, so our luggage is not there, you guys. We have all my snacks, but everything's working out. The snacks would have probably had me feeling bad. However, I've been drinking my water, eating healthy, so it's not there. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah.
This is our KFC. Yes. Why would you give them this?
Yeah. I just thought about that. Okay, if I can get at least 20 likes and make it to 40 subscribers, I will post me visiting my husband's house. Thank y'all for watching and be blessed.